The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be introduced in July during the Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City. According to Korean media reports, Samsung plans to conduct the event in early to mid-July. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a highly anticipated phone, with all leaks pointing to a larger, smaller, and better gadget than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to one industry insider, the Z Fold 7 will include certain industry-first features, demonstrating that Samsung has taken foldable seriously. According to the Korean rumor, the local model of the Z Flip 7 would be powered by Samsung's long-awaited Exynos 2500 chipset. This processor was supposed to launch with the Samsung Galaxy S25 range, but it was apparently delayed owing to foundry issues. According to the report, additional regions will likely receive a Flip 7 powered by a different chip. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is especially interesting for tech fans because it is almost certain that it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset worldwide. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a trifoldable smartphone, which will be released later this year. The corporation will exclusively offer this product in a few regions. Samsung has teased the Z Fold 7, promising an ultra experience. Reports on the Z Fold 7's battery and charging times have been unsatisfactory. So I'm hoping the industry-first technology's claim is true. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.